So we are on our way to go by the carpenter. We are going to build 4 risers for the 418 sound to fit up on the backdash on the E25 caravan. We are done. We got them, they all fit up nice. So now we're going to clean them and install them when we reach back home. Today, so what we're going to do, continuing from yesterday, when we got the risers, we are going to mark the holes where we would like to drill, and then we're going to drill through them. And with that, after we drill through all, we are going to spray paint them black, and then we'll let them dry and take it from there. So it's Tuesday morning and we are going to use that Evo stick contact cement. We don't have wood glue, so we are going to use the contact cement glue onto the back of the pods, and then we will stick and screw them up. Okay, so we're about to do that now. So as you could see, the 218 sound 8-inch is installed. Reason why I did it this way is this is how it's bridged. So this will play on channel 3 to 4 on the Roxy Fosgate amplifier, and this will play on channel 1 and 2. But remember, channel 2 got damaged with the tympanos. So I will see how best I could get that repaired as possible. As you can see, this is it. 218 sounds are inside here through the grill. These are already set, just waiting for the next pair. So we will not do a sound check right away. We will wait until we have all 4, and then we'll do a sound check. With that, we also have to repair the Roxy Fosgate amplifier. We need to buy a remote control for the Pioneer AV8600 because of the present situation on that deck, and then we should be in order. So, thanks for watching. Have a good one.